Hello, I'm Dr. Megha Nair, cornea and cataract surgeon, Eye Foundation Palakkad. I'm going to talk to you about laser eye surgery. Now, what is laser eye surgery? Laser eye surgery is mainly done for people who are having glasses or spectacles to have a spectacle-free vision. If you have a defective vision, if you're wearing contact lens or glasses, this surgery helps you to see without them. Now, what do we do in laser eye surgery? In laser eye surgery, basically the cornea or the transparent portion that is in front of your eye is being reshaped by using a laser. This laser is called excimer laser. The most common laser eye surgery that you know of is LASIK. LASIK is laser in situ keratomileusis. Mainly for three conditions we do laser eye surgery. One, short sight or myopia. Second, hypermetropia or long sight. And third is cylinder power, that is astigmatism. Most commonly we do for myopia or short sight. Now, can everybody do laser eye surgery? Laser eye surgery can be done after the age of 18 years and when your power, that is whatever your glass prescriptive power, is stable for over 1 year, then you can undergo laser eye surgery. Before that, you need to undergo a set of detailed eye examinations and also investigations and scan. The most important scan is corneal topography. In corneal topography, they assess the cornea's curvature, shape, and even the thickness. After the doctor sees through the scan, and if he finds out the criteria is matching, then you are fit for the surgery. If you're unfit for the laser eye surgery, then we do not proceed with it. Also, pregnant ladies and lactating or nursing mothers are also deferred from doing laser eye surgery. There are different types of laser eye surgery. One is PRK or epi-LASIK, that is photorefractive keratotomy, in which the topmost layer of the cornea is where the laser is being done. In LASIK, that all of you know of, is of two types. The one that is using blade and the bladeless LASIK. The where blade is used, we use a blade called microkeratome, which is a fine blade which raises a flap over the cornea, and then you do laser. In bladeless LASIK, we use a type of laser called femtosecond to raise the flap. Then laser is being done later on. Now, after doing laser eye surgery, does it mean that you never have to wear spectacles? It is not like that. After doing LASIK, there is a recovery period of 1 week for LASIK, whereas for PRK, we may have an extended period of 2 to 4 weeks. So, if you want a spectacle-free or a glass-free vision, laser eye surgery is a wonderful option for you. Thank you.